It's so beautiful. Am I right, Neşe? Absolutely, Zuzu. You are looking up from space, and there are so many places to discover. It's also the same when you get shrunk and look from here. It's quite unbelievable. Oh, my dad is here.
Girls, I don't know how, but I shrank everybody. But the size of the controller remained the same, so...
Ha! We found them!
Where are Mom and Mutlu? I'll find them. Be right back.
The button is very big. I can't turn the switch myself.
Help us up there. We can try it together. My dad needs to come up as well.
But my boots can't carry him.
Actually, there is a way for my dad to get on top of that.
I thought I knew her very well, but I got lost. I don't know where I am, to be honest. Let me rest here for a minute. Huh.
Come on, Dad! Jump up!
Okay, here I go. I made it. Come on, let's switch it on together now.
It'd be enough if we were the only ones to know how great these kids are. They found a solution right away. It's simply incredible.
You are absolutely right. I am so proud of them already, honey.
First, eat this giant cake I have here, and then I'll make you larger later.
Let him keep sleeping, Manny. I can always find another way to convince him some other time.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.